Hello all, welcome to Bharat Dynamics Limited Management Training Preparation Strategy. So one update is there for you from BDL regarding the general aptitude syllabus. Yes, okay. So I will tell you that what is the update, and then other queries are there, that is what is the syllabus of finance. Okay, so I will also discuss few points related to finance syllabus. So let's start our video. Okay, so in the last video of strategy, we discussed till here that in non-technical you have quant, reasoning and English. Okay, just one change is there, that quant is not there, so you don't need to study quant or aptitude at all. Okay, instead of quant they added general awareness. Yes, so general awareness is there. Okay, so your total syllabus for general aptitude for 50 questions, 50 marks is general awareness, reasoning and English. Okay, now distribution among this we don't know, they didn't mention this. They can frame any number of questions from these three sections. Okay, so this was the update. Now let's see how you can study effectively for general awareness, because this is very important section. Okay, and this will the deciding factor of your recruitment. That's why it is very important to pay special attention, I will say, on general awareness. Okay, so basically general awareness syllabus I divided into two parts. Part 1, that is your history, geography, polity, economics and science. In science you need to do physics, chemistry and biology. And then part B, which is most important, that is your current affairs. Okay, and how much current affair you should do? Ideally last 12 months current affair you should do perfectly. Okay, because among this only they will ask you anything. Now which book you can use? So for current affair you can refer our website apnagovernmentjob.org current affair section. Okay, all the current affair you will get there. Just you need to click on filter button and then filter, select month, that is July, August, like that, and definitely you will get all the current affairs. So last 12 months, now see, last 12 months is what? Okay, from which month you should start? So I will recommend you to start from November, I can say. Okay, November 2020 to till your exam day, till your exam date. Okay, once exam date they will announce, I will definitely tell you to where to stop. But start reading from November 2020 on apnagovernmentjob.org. You will get all the things. Okay, so just quickly go there and read. Now what about this section, right? So just one book I will sell you, the Lucent. Just refer this book. Okay, purchase this book. All the things are there in Lucent. That is enough for you. No need to do in detail study and everything. Okay, because this is not UPSC, this is BDL. Exactly. Basically here technical is very important and current affairs. Okay, and along with this, on our Telegram channel, very important, those who already know and those who already following, keep following that. 2 PDF you are daily receiving, that is general studies PDF. Okay, in this part A will be there, part A, and one is general awareness or daily current affairs PDF. In this part B is there, that is your current affairs. Okay, so compulsory follow this rigorously. And those who will add now to the Telegram channel, link is in the description. Just go to the file section. Okay, and start from April month, because this thing we started in April month only, April 2021. Okay, and other current affairs, that is previous current affair, definitely our website is there, that is your apnagovernmentjob.org. Okay, .organization. So this is our website, this is our syllabus for general awareness. No need to study quant now. So how you are feeling now, whether you want quant or whether you want general awareness? Okay, stay your thought in the comment section. Definitely I will I am interested to know that. Okay, and whatever the things are there, you can ask me in the comment section. Now the next query regarding finance student. So what is the finance syllabus? So this is the tentative, or I can say memory based syllabus, so that at least you can start the study. Okay, because see, you now know general aptitude syllabus. Okay, that is 50 marks syllabus is confirmed. Now about 100 marks, that is these things are there. So just start study from this thing. Okay, when BDL will update official syllabus, definitely I will make the video on that. But still this is the important thing. Okay, you should know. So Indian Accounting Standard, GST audit, Company Act, Stock Exchange, very important. Tax system. In economics, lots of things are there. Okay, microeconomics, macroeconomics, all the things you will do. That is your national income, very important. Again, marketing. Okay, marketing strategy, just study that. Then your tax system, financial management. Okay, human resource management, partnership, Then in management also lots of things are there. Motivation is also there. Motivation management. Okay, you already know, I guess. You studied all these things in your graduation only. That are the thing only you need to revise. Okay, just make each and every concept powerful, and whenever BDL release official syllabus, I will update you. Till then, focus on study. Don't worry at all about all this. Okay, all the updates you will get here. Just you study. That's it. Okay, that I only want. So we will meet in next video. So till then, subscribe to our channel. Compulsory like the video. Okay, compulsory like the video, and Telegram channel, which is the most important for you. So just join that. And if you have any query, any doubt, just feel free ask to in comment section. Okay, all the best.